They say a good captain goes down with his ship, but sometimes the captain goes down and takes the ship with him. Rahmah ibn Jabir al-Jalhami was a pirate who terrorized the Persian Gulf in the early 1800s and ruled over much of modern-day Qatar. His first name means mercy, so when his victims cried for mercy, they were met by a stern man in an eye patch. For the most part, he was so successful because he always made a point to make friends with the biggest player in the region, whether that was the Saudis or the British. Ultimately, it was his super lame nephew who came to introduce mercy to justice. Rahmah went below deck with his 8-year-old son, I might add, and used the charcoal from his hookah to light up his gunpowder stocks, killing his captors and his entire crew.